God, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. How are you? Today, it's all about the stuffing. The stuffing. We took a year off because, I own a restaurant now. It's the Vincent in Andersonville, so you should check it out. But today is our Thanksgiving Day special, and we thought we'd bring back a Wing It with Wendy episode. Why? Because I got a special guest today. My Aunt Sofie is in town, so you're going to get a chance to meet her. So tune on in. Welcome back! So, before we get started, this is a little ridiculous, and I am feeling a little stuffed, but we gotta first get out of this outfit and change into something better. And we're back! Oh my God! Thanks for coming back into my kitchen, and again, happy Thanksgiving. This is a lot more comfortable than that turkey outfit. So, Today is all about the stuffing, right? Some people call it dressing. I don't know. I get dressed up, but I don't know why they call it dressing. But before we get started, we have a special guest. My Aunt Sofie, who immigrated from Poland. She lives in Omaha, Nebraska now, but she's in Chicago. So please welcome to the set, my Aunt Sofie. Sofie, how are you? Okay. So now, have you ever made stuffing before?
I've been stuffed.
I bet you. Yeah. How many times? And was it just last night?
It's been a long time.
So I'll tell you what. We're gonna be cooking my special stuffing.
All right. I'm here.
And the first thing we're gonna talk about is what ingredients do you need, right? All right. My secret stuffing recipe calls for one important ingredient, and that's sausage. You know all about the sausage, don't you?
It's been a while.
Right? So I got this Bob Evans sausage here. Some use the Italian, which I like the Italian sausage. My friend Mario, he's got a good Italian sausage.
Have I met him?
I don't know. It's a big one. And then you need celery. Right? And this is a sabello. Do you know what a sabello is?
Onion?
Yes, it's onion. You know Spanish too. I got my Spanish teacher, him and his partner, they watched the show and everything. I hope I said that right, the sabello. And then you need some good old chicken stock, right? Now you can make your own, but it's easier to buy it, right?
Definitely so.
And we always need butter. Butter is our favorite friend, right?
Oh, the best.
How do you use your butter?
Oh, there are a lot of ways you can use butter.
So, and then we got some sage. Sage,
Okay.
This is for the season. You don't smoke it, right?
I'm glad you clarified.
And then every stuffing requires breadcrumbs. So you need some breadcrumbs, but we're gonna cheat. We didn't make ours. So we got good old Pepperidge Farm here. Our episode is sponsored by Pepperidge Farm. Go get your stuffing from Pepperidge Farm. Now, as you've noticed, we got 3 varieties here. I like to mix it, mix it up.
Mix all 3 of them together?
Yeah, diversity, that's what
I
it's
think
all
that's
about.
I like diversity.
Right?
Yes.
What do you got? Is that
I have the corn.
Cornhole, or no, cornbread stuffing.
Cornbread stuffing.
And this is cube. So you always got to mix the cube with the crushed. So
what's not to love about all this stuff?
Exactly. So these are all our ingredients. When we get back, we're going to take a little commercial break here.
Right.
Oh, we'll take the commercial break, and then when we get back, we'll start cooking.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
It works wonders when the family gathers at Grandma's for one of those special Sunday dinners.
Milk nut. They call it milk nut.
Yes. Like the drumstick.
The drumstick. Yeah. Get out from under there. That's your new suit.
And if you get a headache later on, that's when Bayer works wonders. 2 Bayer tablets bring all the pain relief power your headache can use. Bayer is pure aspirin, not just part aspirin. Bayer works wonders.
Yeah, we're back. We're back now, and now that you have all the essential ingredients, we're going to start cooking here, right? But you know, what's the first thing to do when you start cooking?
Well, I can tell you what I like to do.
What's that?
I like to start drinking first.
There we go. We
All
open up the
right.
wine. There you go.
Perfect.
And yeah, so
Cheers.
So you first start with your wine. Now the wine is not going to go into stuffing, right? Where does it go?
In your mouth.
Yes, yes. There you go.
You know you get it wise as you go. Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Mm.
So now that we're lubricated, Sofie and I just started getting some things together already. We started cooking. So your sausage that we talked about, we browned it. Show them the, here, look at. We browned these. We browned your sausage, right? So it's like hamburger meat, right? So you just grind that up and you brown it, right, ahead of time. You want to do that ahead of time.
Okay.
And now I know some people out there are vegetarians. You know, so what happens if you're making this stuffing and you got vegetarians coming? What do?
Leave the meat out.
No, you give them a piece of celery and you say, just go sit in the corner and don't eat anything, right? Or you just don't invite them at all, right?
That's a better idea.
Exactly, because you know, we're all about the meat there, right?
That's exactly right.
So then we got our onion,
Uh-huh.
and then we got our celery, and we chopped them up, right?
Okay.
You chopped them up, and we cheated on the carrots. So we got these pre-shredded ones here. That was kind of nice. And
We couldn't get these in the old country.
yeah, you couldn't. No.
Nor could we get the Bob Evans.
No, you couldn't.
No.
Well, we made our own sausage back in the day. Remember
Yes,
that?
we did. And they had the hanging from the shed and everything, hanging down there. And
Exactly.
then frying it.
I like a good hanging sausage.
I knew you did.
Sometimes it's better when it's upright.
You know, the family goes way back with those.
I know, right? It's a big sausage family. So we took our butter, we melted it down, and we cooked our celery, chopped it up with our onions and with our carrots. So we got this all together here, and that was all cooked up ahead of time and everything. So the next step then is when we get back after this quick commercial break, we're going to pull it all together so you can see how it comes together, okay? We'll see you in a little bit.
Nothing looks and feels so fine as a hair that's got that halo shine. Halo means a glow and sheen, shining bright and close up clean. Try Halo and let yourself glow.
No shampoo says glow like Halo. Halo with the built-in shine.
Try Halo and let yourself glow.
Oh my God! And then then Uncle Frankie said to him, she goes, "I just love this Dickens cider. You know, the Dickens cider. You know, but it's a cider. It's like a drink. Oh my God, we're back.
Oh.
Hi, how are you?
How are ya?
We're back here. Me, Wendy, sitting here with Aunt Sofie. Here, Sofie.
Oh, Sofie.
Nastrovia. Okay, so now we're going to get started here and we're going to make the stuffing. Ready?
I'm
So
ready.
what you need to do is now that you cooked your sausage down and you cooked your carrots and your celery and your onion, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this in a big pot right here, a big pot. So Sofie, can you put the sausage in there? Here,
Yes.
you're going to put the sausage in that big pot,
Oopsie.
right? Don't get it all over the floor. You know?
Well, get that one.
Right?
In the morning.
Did you have a little too much wine?
Well, that.
Yeah. Well, I know how that goes.
You've been a great teacher.
Right? So then the next thing is I need for you to add the juice.
Oh,
so this is
yeah.
our chicken broth. So what you're
Okay.
going to want to do is you're going to pour all that chicken broth in there.
All right.
And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill it up with the chicken broth all the way up so it's covering all those vegetables and that meat. And probably go up another inch a little bit higher, you know, because everybody likes an extra inch, right? You know, sometimes
That's what
too.
I heard.
Yeah, sometimes too. They don't
That's
get that
what
too
I
often.
heard.
So you're gonna heat this up, right? You're gonna cook it and heat it up so it comes to like a little bit of a boil, right? And then we got our 3 different types of breadcrumbs here. So you
This
can
is
take
a
our,
great idea, buddy.
Yes. Oh, thanks. Well,
I like that.
well, and it's
idea.
3. I love 3 ways, and so we're just gonna add. You're gonna add your breadcrumbs to your liquid mixture a little at a time, right? So just add a little in there. Just keep
What
adding.
about this one?
Adding. Well, what about that?
I think we need to add
You know,
one.
sometimes when there's 3 ways, somebody's just watching. Somebody's really just watching. You know, and the other 2 are really going at it. But here, we'll add that one in too.
No,
Go
but I
ahead.
don't want to be the country star.
Right.
Okay.
Do you want? Well, you are a little country style. What are you talking about? So you're just gonna
break old
keep
habits.
adding until it starts getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So by the magic of television, can you take this away? By the magic of television, we have a pot ready and done. It's already done. Now, I'll tell you, there's another secret ingredient to my stuffing here. So I add dried cranberries soaked in cherry juice, right? Because, you know, the stuffing could be a little salty, and this is a nice sweet side. You know, it's kind of like me, salty and sweet, right?
It is.
And if you're from the East Coast, they usually add either smoked oysters or smoked clams into the stuffing too as well. But we won't do that because we're not on the East Coast. We're in the Midwest, you know,
We never
right?
did this in the old
And then
countries.
in California, sometimes they sprinkle almonds on their stuffing, right? But you know what the big dilemma is that everybody asks me every year?
What?
Inside or out? Do you stuff the bird or don't you stuff the bird?
You know, I have wondered about that.
Yeah, what do you do,
Both ways.
Sophie? Do you normally stuff the bird or you cook it like on its side?
We've done both.
You've done both. You've been in the
We've
bird.
been in the bird and I've been outside the bird.
Oh, okay, nice. And
I've done them both.
so I'll tell you my secret here. I'll show you in 1 second. You need to get yourself an aluminum tin, you know, and I usually make my stuffing ahead of time. So you should always make your stuffing a day before.
Is that so the flavors come together?
Yeah, look at, and you could tell it's fresh, it's steaming,
Oh
it's
my
steaming.
gosh, this is
Yeah.
delicious.
Right? Here, and well, you could try some here.
Oh, I'd love
And
to.
I'm sure you would. You get stuffed. And
Get stuffed.
so anyways, you should make your stuffing the day before
try this.
Thanksgiving. What? Just
Can I try it?
help yourself.
I think I will. No manners.
Right? Oh, yeah. Do you feel stuffed now?
Oh, that is delicious.
Thank you. And,
Wow.
so anyway, you make your stuffing a day before Thanksgiving and put it in an aluminum tin, cover it up. If you want to take some and stuff in your bird, but just remember your bird's going to take longer to cook when it's stuffed, right?
Well, I'm not done.
And she's not done eating yet. I know, Sophie. You know, we know you have a reputation.
Oh.
Here, sometimes Sophie gets thirsty. You know.
Oh.
So anyways, Sophie is now living in Chicago, at least for the next 6 months. You know, for the winter from Omaha. And I understand you're going to be working at the Vincent's.
I am so excited.
Yes,
I hope I see everybody down
our
there.
little shop Theo, where you could take and bake or be baked and come and eat something from us. I don't know. So,
I think it
anyways,
could get more interesting as the business develops.
I know. Well, I know a lot of things that's developed. I mean, look at your look today. You really developed, didn't you?
I had the best.
Like-
I had the best cosmetologist today.
Yeah, I know. You look 20 years younger.
I feel 20 years younger.
Anyways, so Okay. So anyways, from our family to your family, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. And what do we say in Poland? Nastrovia.
Nastrovia.
Yay.
And enjoy
Cheers.
the wine.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And try the dressing.
Ah!
And Wendy has stolen